Like war. I'm not proud of that. But when you're young, let's play war. Bit stupid. Some of those kids died. We lost some good kids, you know. But I was always good with the sound effects. So we'd play war. My mates would go, "Come on, Reese, get them. Here they come." And I'd be like, "Okay." That's right. What's that shit? Can't even hear it. You get down, I'll cover you. That one, there you go. Another one down. Forget it. I can hardly hear that. You throw a knife or something. Good. It's good. Look, here comes a helicopter. The applause on the helicopter there. I used to do that when I was a kid and my friends just thought I was a dick. They'd go home. "Where are you going?" "I'm going home, you're a dick." "It's not a real helicopter." "I know, that's why